أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. Inshallah Azza wa Jal, we're going to start lesson number 7. Now, just the rules first of all. Now, this sign that you can see on your screen, this sign like a boomerang shape, this sign is called a sukoon, a jazm. A letter which has a sukoon, a jazm on it is called sakina, a sakin, silent letter. The sakina letter is read with the mutaharrika letter coming before it. There are 3 letters of madda. They are alif, waw, and ya. So these are the 3 letters of madda, and these 3 letters, inshallah Azza wa Jal, we're going to be talking about these 3 letters, and we're going to be talking how these 3 letters can change a letter. Now, how do you recognize alif madda? When there is a zabar, a fatha, a zabar before an alif, it becomes alif madda. And when there is a pesh, a dhamma, before a waw sakina, it becomes waw madda. And when there is a kasra, a zair, before the ya sakina, then it becomes ya madda. So easy to remember is that whenever you see an alif joined with a letter, if the letter before the alif has a zabar on it, then that alif will be called alif madda. And then if you have a letter, a ya sakin, and the letter before the ya sakin has a zair before it, then that ya sakin will be called ya madda. And then if you have a waw sakin and the letter before the waw sakin has a pesh, then that waw sakin we call it as a waw madda. Now, pronounce the letters of madda by stretching them up to 1 alif, i.e. up to 2 harakat. So if you have, for example, a zair, yeah, we have a ba zair b, ba zair b. And if we have a ya madda just after the so if you have a zair before the ya madda, you're going to stretch that to 2 harakats. So it's going to be ba ya zair b. So can you see the difference? B and b, b, b. So you stretch it twice as much as that. Now, moving on to our next, inshallah, how we're going to spell them and how we are going to read them. Inshallah, I will repeat the whole lesson if you can read after me. Ba, alif, zabar, ba. Now, this is the alif madda. Can you see the alif? And the letter, which is the ba, has got a zabar before it. And if you look at it, all the letters, they've got a zabar before the alif. So that's why this alif, we are going to call it as a alif madda. Now what happens is we are going to stretch the ba twice. So first of all, if it's just a ba, zabar, we would have read ba zabar ba. But because it's got an alif next to it, we are going to read it as ba alif zabar ba. So we're going to stretch it. Now the next one is ba waw pesh bu. Now you can see that the waw is sakin. This is called a jazm. Waw is sakin, and the letter before it has got a pesh on. It could be any letter. If you look at that, there are any letters. So if waw sakin has a pesh before it, then that is called a waw madda. So what we do is we stretch the ba double. Instead of ba pesh bu, we're going to read ba waw pesh bu. So from bu, double. Now the next letter is the ya sakin. Ba, ya, zir, bi. So can you see the ya is sakin and the letter before it has got a zir? So this ya we're going to call it as a ya madda. So you need to stretch the ya madda. Instead of b, we're going to read it as b. We're going to stretch it double. So inshallah, I'm going to read the whole lesson. I'm going to try to be as slow as possible so you can repeat after me, inshallah. Let's continue from the top. Ta, alif, zabar, ta. Ta, waw, pesh, tu. Ta, ya, zir, ti. Ta, tu, ti. Tha, alif, zabar, tha. Tha, waw, pesh, thu. Tha, ya, zir, thi. Tha, thu, thi. Jim, alif, zabar, ja. Jim, waw, pesh, ju. Jim, ya, zir, ji. Ja, ju, ji. Ha, alif, zabar, ha. Ha, waw, pesh, hu. Ha, ya, zir, hi. Ha, hu, hi. Kha, alif, zabar, kha. Kha, waw, pesh, khu. Kha, ya, zir, khi. Kha, khu, khi. Dal, alif, zabar, da. Dal, waw, pesh, du. Dal, ya, zir, di. Da, du, di. Dhal, alif, zabar, dha. Dhal, waw, pesh, dhu. Dhal, ya, zir, dhi. Dha, dhu, dhi. Ra, alif, zabar, ra. Remember, when Ra has a zabar or a pesh, you need to read the Ra full mouth. Ra, alif, zabar, ra. Ra, waw, pesh, ru. Ra, ya, zir, ri. Ra, ru, ri. Za, alif, zabar, za. Za, waw, pesh, zu. Za, ya, zir, zi. Za, zu, zi. سین الف زبر سا سین واو پیش سو سین یا زیر سی سا سو سی شین الف زبر شا شین واو پیش شو شین یا زیر شی شا شو شی مستعلیہ letter now, full mouth inshallah. صاد alif zabar saw. Make sure that you read the letters fully, complete letters, singular as well. صاد واو پیش سو صاد یا زیر سی صا سو صی ضاد الف زبر ضا ضاد واو پیش ضو ضاد یا زیر ضی ضا ضو ضی طا الف زبر طا full mouth طا واو پیش طو طا یا زیر طی طا طو طی ظا الف زبر ظا ظا واو پیش ظو ظا یا زیر ظی ظا ظو ظی. Next is the ayn from the middle of the throat. Ayn alif zabar a. Now, a lot of the time people will read it as ayn zabar a. If you read it as a, then that is wrong because that is a hamza and this is an ayn. So middle of the throat. If you just practice that a bit, inshallah, practice will be you'll get better, inshallah. Ayn alif zabar a. Ayn waw پیش عو. Ayn یا زیر عی. عو عی. غین الف زبر غا. غین واو پیش غو. غین یا زیر غی. غا غو غی. فا الف زبر فا. فا واو پیش فو فا یا زیر فی فا فو فی قاف الف زبر قا قاف واو پیش قو قاف یا زیر قی قا قو قی کاف الف زبر کا کاف واو پیش کو کاف یا زیر کی کا کو کی لام الف زبر لا لام واو پیش لو لام یا زیر لی لا لو لی میم الف زبر ما میم واو پیش مو میم یا زیر می ما مو می نون الف زبر نا نون واو پیش نو نون یا زیر نی نا نو نی واو الف زبر وا واو واو پیش وو وا یا زیر وی وا وو وی ها الف زبر ها ها واو پیش ہو ها یا زیر ہی ها ہو ہی حمزہ کھڑا زبر آ. Now you can't have Hamza alif zabar a because you have to put a khada zabar. Hamza waw pesh oo. Hamza ya zir e a u e. Ya alif zabar ya. Ya waw pesh you. Ya zir yi. Ya you yi. MashaAllah Azawajal. We've completed